So the act of confessing with vulnerability is what begins to transform guilt into reconnection. I think that's what he's saying. So, you know, y'all can do this. Can y'all do this in relationships? Can you give my sorry words? Ah, I can feel the release. Yes, Patricia, that's really good. So, like, y'all can do this with your partner or with anybody that's important to you. Like, suppose you snap at somebody and you know you were supposed to be patient, but you weren't. So one thing you could do is you can say, I regret snapping at you yesterday. In the moment, I felt overwhelmed, but that does not excuse shutting you down. And I want you to know that I see that I hurt you. Can y'all say that to somebody without feeling shame? Just owning it. Can y'all do that? Yes, yes. I got a lot of yeses. Yes, yes. Everybody can own it. I regret what I did yesterday. In the moment, I felt really overwhelmed. I was really stressed out in the moment, but that still doesn't excuse me shutting you down. I want you to know that I can see that it hurt you. Can you say that to your children? Okay, that's step two. Okay, step two is admit your deficiencies in words. Okay, step two. Step three, step three, step three. Step three, show feelings of sadness and regret. Okay, so don't just explain, feel it. So when you're saying it, express sadness and regret. I don't think they mean like self-pity. I think it's in like letting your partner feel your sincerity, you know, and you can do that in your body tone, the tone of your voice, your body language, your openness. You could do that. Oh, you went to Google. What did Google say? The phrase give not heart does not appear as a quote in Shakespeare works. What? Macbeth, this quote emphasizes the importance of verbalizing grief to prevent emotional damage. Very good. Thank you, Sonia. I needed that because I was trying to pull it out. Humbling yourself. Yeah, I mean, you can say it. Step three is saying, like, I feel heavy about how I've treated you lately. You don't do not deserve that distance. You didn't deserve that. And it makes me feel sad that I caused that hurt in you. Can y'all say that? Do you think you can do that without feeling awful? I mean, that's a big one to be able to admit to yourself when you've done something and then be able to put your deficiencies in words and then to be able to articulate feelings of sadness and regret to another person. Wow. Okay, step four. There's more. Make amends to your partner. Self-destructive penance. For example, Oedipus blinding himself is really retaliation turned on itself. Another trick of ego. Ah, trick. The ego always shows itself. So making amends is not about groveling or turning the pain inward. So Oedipus, what did Oedipus do? Oedipus blinds himself. So Oedipus is like a symbol of the ego turned violently on the self, right? This is not about punishing yourself, it's about repairing the bond.